Well, what did you doing?
Ray, stop shit, bro. What you recording for?
Sweet.
You recording? Look here, nigga. Keevy ass don't know how to cook. He started fucking fires and shit.
Boy, that's your ass.
Look at his shit. Ain't this shit done, y'all? Look at the inside.
Hey, get back.
What shit ain't even on?
Is these done, bro?
Y'all gotta cut them open, folks.
Mine, look at my shit. That shit cut up.
Inside not even.
He shaped this motherfucker. This nigga shaped the sausage.
What you right? What you talking about?
Folks, cut them open, folks, so you can see the inside,
Hey, give me a.
folks.
Hey,
Take it off the thing, folks. Put it on the plate and cut it open. Then put it back.
I might as well put that shit over here.
Hell no, I'm gonna put it dirty. Well, yeah, that shit dirty. I can't even cut my shit. What's your ass out here? I don't want to sign no autographs right now, bro. Don't.
Oh, alright, folks. Put it on that, folks.
Exactly.
These niggas retarded.
Motherfucker. Mitzi, these spicy? See a little rare shit.
Oh, you was burning that shit for real, G.
Look, man. Here we go.
Burning that shit, boy.
No, it ain't, boy. The inside wasn't even cooking. Sweet.
Yeah.
He lame.
My nigga D.White making mine, so I don't know how that be.
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.